All right, number 2, you're going to find the value of x here. And notice all the x's here are the exterior angles, right? And the idea that you should remember is that all the exterior angles of a polygon will add up to 360 degrees. This is always true for any polygon. So let's make sure we have that idea. Okay, and now we can be allowed to set up this equation. We know that this is 90 degrees. Okay, so let's add it. 90 plus 60 plus x plus 46 plus 73 has to be equal to 360. Let's combine some like terms. 90 plus 60 plus 46 plus 73 is 269 plus x is equal to 360. Just combined it my like terms. I now solve for x. This cancels, leaving you with 360 minus 269. This gets me x is equal to 91 degrees. B, we know that all the exterior angles here of 89 plus 3x plus 116 plus 92 is equal to 363 degrees. Combine some like terms. 116 plus 92 plus 89 is 297. 3x plus 297 is equal to 360. Subtract 297, subtract 297 from both sides. This gets me 360 minus 297 is 63 degrees. There's a 3 in front of an x attached via multiplication, so we divide by 3 to both sides. This now gets you x is equal to 21. All right. And C. X plus 110 is equal to 360 degrees. Combine some like terms. That is 2x plus 110 is equal to 360. Subtract 110 from both sides. You get 250. So 2x here is equal to 250. Divide by 2 to both sides. This does cancel. 2 over 2 becomes 1. So x is equal to 250 divided by 2 is x is equal to 125. And then the last one, 70 plus 3x plus 75 plus 65 plus 2x is equal to 360. Combine some like terms. This is 5x plus 75 plus 60 plus 210 is equal to 360. I just combined all my like terms, all the constants together, all the variables of x go together. Subtract 210 from both sides. 210 minus 210 cancels. 5x is equal to 360 minus 210. That gets me 150. The 5x we divide by 5 from both sides. Now this is x is equal to 30. All right, so there you go. Those are all how you set up the equation based on the exterior angles of the polygon and solving for that value of x.